Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce cart UI for streamlined checkout UX, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating the WooCommerce cart UI, ensure you have the necessary access to your WordPress dashboard. Start by navigating to the WordPress admin panel and logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, look for the plugins section on the left sidebar. Search for a customizer plugin that enhances WooCommerce capabilities. Install and activate the chosen plugin to enable advanced features for the cart UI. Next, go to Appearance and select Customize from the menu. In the Customizer, locate the WooCommerce settings. From here, you can access various options to modify the cart layout and appearance. To change the cart icon, find the section dedicated to headers or icons. You may want to select a more intuitive icon that users can easily recognize. Continue by exploring the layout settings provided by your plugin. Consider changing the grid layout to a list view for improved clarity. This adjustment can help users see product details without confusion. Next, enhance the typography and color settings for better readability. Choose fonts and colors that align with your brand while ensuring a good contrast. Now, let's focus on streamlining the checkout process. Locate the Checkout Fields configuration option in the WooCommerce settings. Review the fields presented and remove any unnecessary ones to simplify completion. Add custom fields only if they serve a significant purpose in the checkout process. Save your changes and navigate to the cart page. Inspect the cart page's design to ensure everything looks appealing and functional. Consider adding a progress indicator on the checkout page to guide users. A progress bar helps users understand the steps remaining in their purchase. Next, enable Ajax updates in the cart. This feature allows the cart to update without needing a page refresh. Navigate back to your plugin settings to enable this option if it's available. To further enhance user experience, add a coupon code field directly in the cart. This integration encourages users who may have discount codes to apply them easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.